A gunny bag or a sack is the most common item that you'd find in every homestead and market, often used in packaging and transportation of dry food. Over the years, farmers across the country and world over have greatly relied on this item for safe custodial of their produce. Since the ban of the plastic carriers, the country saw the proliferation of smaller sacks, especially in supermarkets, as a mode of goods and carriage, thus increasing its usage. These small granules, the size of green grams made from a byproduct of petroleum, referred to as polypropylene, is the raw material for the production, as it is stiffer, non-stretching, rigid, resistant to chemicals and organic solvents as compared to polyethylene.
This plant is making gunia from granules, which we are importing from Saudi, India, South Africa, Spain. And it's very neat and clean process. There no any pollution. All the material used and waste is recycled 100% to make the bag again.
The pellets are absorbed through this pipe into the heating point, color determined at point of entry, after which they are spread flat and pulled out and cooled using water. The thick sheet pulls out again and perforates into sleek equal straps that are absorbed further onto this heating bed that pulls the straps for elasticity.
Process preheating, heating, then making the tape requirement to the customer requirement. Then it is going to the weaving section where the weaving is done as per the customer requirement again. Colored bag, size wise, for sugar, fertilizer, for cement, for tea, for chemicals. After the bags are made, then they are being printed as per the customer requirement, also as per the cape's requirement.
Here, the ready straps are first twined on the receiving corridor that is highly supervised to avert tangling and ensure no overflow of fully twined bunches. The bunches are then fixed on this weaver that has over 1,000 rounds per minute that crosses the horizontal and vertical axes, hence forming the actual sack.
Our products are mostly used widely by the farmers, by the industries, all industry, and also local people are using for packing maize nowadays. Even we are making some tarpaulin also for making drying maize.
The finished rim are received here and can pull for hundreds of meters, awaiting cutting into various sizes.
Still we are facing importation from China, Taiwan, other country, so that is giving us big hard time. So if government support us and 100% manufacturing goes up, and if they can put some dump duty on the imported one to discourage the import, we can get more employment, more revenue can be created here internally.
This machine takes specification of the common 50 kilograms and 90 kilogram bags, or as per demand, that ensures cut of equal sizes. Finally, it knits the base, making the byproduct ready for use. I asked the locals here about their knowledge of what goes into making the sacks, and the answers were quite interesting.
Nafikiria ngunia zinatengenezwa na vitu kama nylon.
Nafikiria labda ni makongo ama plastiki ama chemical.
Hii gina sijui. Gunia ya nini inatengenezwa na makaratasi.
Gunia inatengenezwa na polythene. Zingine zinatengenezwa na sisal.
Sisal plant has been running 3 decades ago. There was demand, but now those bags are very costly. Compared to our production is very high. We can make 10,000, they can make only 1,000 bags.
Now we all know what goes into making the gunny bags. Reporting for TV 47 from Naivasha in Nakuru County, I'm Willie Dennis Njira.